In this video, I'll show you how you can add certificate to your LinkedIn profile. So it's very simple. All you need to do is click on your profile icon. And then from here, choose Add Profile section. And from here, you need to choose Recommended. And then click on Add Licenses and Certifications. And from here, you are able to fill those details. And for example, you can name your skills. So let's say I'm a software engineer. I'm going to choose software engineer, and then you can choose your organization. So let's say Microsoft. Then you can choose issue date, expiration date, credential ID, credential URL. You can add skills here, and then the most important, you can upload here your certificate. So click on add media. You can add a link or add media. So I'm going to click on add media. Then from here, I will choose my PDF certificate from my PC. So I'm gonna click on it, and it's going to upload here. So as you can see, this is my certificate. Now I can click on apply and then save. Save was successful. Now you can post that you obtain a new certification. You can post it, or you can skip it. And then when you are on your profile and you scroll all the way down, as you can see, licenses and certifications. So software engineer, Microsoft. So this is my certificate. You can customize it by clicking on this pencil. And then again, and then you can add these details or customize it however you want. And that's how you can add certificate in LinkedIn. So if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.